we go. Record button. We're
Yep.
top of this. I'm out here with Paul. What side is this, Paul?
This is Deco Apartments
Deco.
and Hotel. So
And you've been trying the blind snake for us.
Yes, I have.
And what did you think? What was the first impressions you had?
Mate, I thought it was too good to be true, to be honest. And I thought there's got to be something that will go wrong with these things. And mate, after doing it for, a couple of them, and then doing 30 of them,
Yep.
it's just, and then nothing goes wrong, then you can say, yeah, this is pretty fast.
Good.
Great.
Yeah. So normal plug bases on a site this size, when you've got about 2,000, what kind of time saving do you think you'd have?
Oh, geez, you'll be there for months doing it,
Okay.
Yeah, and yeah, like you said, the cleanup is, there's nothing there.
Yep.
You grab the cable with the ceiling, you slide it in, you're done.
So you had trouble, well not you specifically, but some of you guys had trouble to start with. What was the trick that got you to use it, or you guys to use it consistently?
Okay. The earth.
Yep.
So the earth has to be flat,
Yep.
because if it's not, it just throws the whole thing out of whack.
Like the cable.
Yeah. So in the middle bit,
Yep.
you push the earth in. You can even push it with your thumb tip.
Yep.
You don't have to push it with your pliers or anything. I've
Yep.
been pushing with my pliers just to make sure, just to give it a bit more,
Yep.
But I've done it just with my thumb.
Yep.
And it's fine.
Fixed. Time saving.
Yeah.
So how would you sum it up? What's your one word for the blind snake?
Fast.
Fast. I like it.
Which is very, convenient for us.
Yeah.
When we're
Now your
pumping
boss.
jobs this big.
Yeah. Now your boss can see the benefit. Is he on board?
To be honest, he goes with the one I say.
Yeah.
So,
Paul's on board. Everyone's on board.
Yeah, so he doesn't, because he's not, he's not the one feeding you off, mate.
Yeah.
If I give him a feedback of, it being, time saving and quick and works,
I like it.
then he's all for that. I've worked with him long enough that, I think he trusts my calls on
Good.
these things. So,
Yeah. All right.
so yeah.
Well,